is it 40 down here on the extra?
If you're unsure, yeah, just wait till you find out. As you can see, you'll get reminded quite quick, won't you? Just try not to drift. Just occasionally you're a little close to that white line next to you, Ellie.
I think I'm moving a little bit
That's
towards.
better. Have a little look on both side mirrors, right and left.
Yeah.
It's a bit better now, isn't it?
More centred.
Correct. Which is more safety.
Yeah.
Now we're going to get to the lights and turn left as well, please. Do you feel it's easier crossing your hands to go around some sharper corners, Ellie?
Yeah, I think I found that easier just anyway in general, to be honest, to cross my hands.
No problem.
Because I always thought you couldn't, so I don't know why. Is that for me?
It certainly is, yeah. So have a little go as you go around this corner to cross your hands round.
Okay.
But it should only really be used when the speed is really slow.
Yeah.
It's never an issue, alright? So have a little look around there.
Are examiners aware of that?
100%.
Because I always thought that it was like you just couldn't cross your hands at all.
No, it's totally fine.
So just as long as you're steering, it's fine.
Correct.
Yeah.
And what was your steering like there?
Good.
It was excellent, wasn't it? Alright, so just remember, crossing your hands is not an issue.
Okay.
Okay.